Namaste, children. Last class, Margie explained in exercise 1.5, sixth term finished. Then now going to seventh sum. F from R to R, F from R to R, and G from R to R. R is a real number. Then by f of x equal to x power 5. Then g of x equal to x power 4. Then check if f and g are 1 1 function and f composite of g is 1 1 function and f composite of g 1 function. Solution. First given f of x equal to x power 5. Then g of x equal to x power 4. First to find f composite of g of x equal to, first to write f of, remove the composite, f of g of x. Then f of g of x value, or g of x is x power 4. 2. Let us write x power 4. The next one, f of, this is f of x. F of x is x power 4. First to write equal to x value equal to x power 4. Then, so substitute x value, then afterwards you write x power 5. Next, then multiply power. So already known in exponents form, x power m into x power n equal to x power mn. So multiply x power 5 4s are 20. This is f is 1 1. F is 1 1 function. So g is not 1 1 function. Then let us to find g is what, or 1 function. Let us assume g of, that is a real number, first two number g of 1 equal to, substitute g of x equal to g of x equal to x power 4, no? So let us write x power 1 value. So 1 power 4, 1 4 times multiply 1. The next one, g of minus 1, real number is negative to positive value. So minus 1, how many times, right? 4. So minus 1 4 times multiply. So answer is 1. So the same value 1 1. So different element have same image. Different element but same image. Same image. So that is not 1 1 function. Or you understand, ma? 7th question. Next, 8th one. 8th sum. Consider the function f of x. The three function is here, f of x and g of x and h of x. Three function. Show that to prove f composite of g is the composite of h equal to f composite of g composite of h. Already known is associative level. Let us show that, means let us LHS equal to RHS. First to prove LHS equal to LHS is f composite g composite of H. First to prove f composite of, already first to write f of x value. Question first subdivision, f of x equal to x minus 1. Next, g of x equal to 3x plus 1. Next, h of x equal to x square. So given the value f of x and g of x, h of x. First, f composite of g. F composite of g equal to f of g of x. Then f of g of x was, g of x is, so let us write g of x value, write it 3x plus 1. 3x plus 1. First to write inner bracket value is 3x plus 1. To substitute g of x value is 3x plus 1. Next to write f of this is x. This is x value, what? F of x equal to x minus 1. So substitute x value, only substituting 3x plus 1. Already f of x value is minus 1. Listen, ma, f of x. F of x value is 3x plus 1. So substitute x value is 3x plus 1. So 1 is cancelled. So first one is 3x. Next another word, f of f composite of g composite of h. So first f composite of g of composite of x. Remove the composite h of x. Already you know in h of x. F composite of g, h of x value, what? X of x value is x square. So f composite is 3x. So 3x square. Let us write is 3x square, equation 1. Next, RHS. RHS equal to RHS. RHS, let us prove f composite of g composite of h. First to prove G composite, let us remove in first bracket, then afterwards multiply. Already you know G composite of H. G composite of H equal to G of H of X. G of H of X. H of X what? X square. G of X square. G of X square. G of X square what value? G of X value is G of X value equal to 3x plus 1. So first substitute G of X. G of X. This is G of X. Next equal to 3x square. X value is, so substitute 3x square plus 1. Then G of X value what? Then minus 1. So 3x square plus 1. Next one. Next to find F. Next to find F composite of G composite of H equal to F of. So G composite X value, G composite H equal to value is 3x square plus 1. This is G composite H. So this is G composite X. Substitute 3x square plus 1. So this is F of X. This is X value. F of X value what? F of X value is x minus 1. F of X value x minus 1. So X value is 3x square. Substitute 3x square plus 1. So minus, this is minus 1. Minus 1. So plus minus cancel. So this is answer is 3x square. 3x square is second equation. So already first equation is from 1 and 2. From 1 equal to from 2. So 3 LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS, hence verified. Next sum. Next second sum. Second sum. Second sum. F of X. Second subdivision. Second subdivision F of X equal to X square. Next G of X equal to 2x. Then H of X equal to X plus 4. First to find F composite of G composite of. First let us prove F composite of G composite of H. LHS equal to, first to find F composite of G equal to F of G of X. F of G of X what? F first F, let us write first G of X value what? 2x equal to 2x. Next to write F of 2f. F of X. F of X substitute 2x. So let us write 2x the whole square equal to 4x square. 2 2s are 4. Then x square. Next, F composite of G composite of H equal to F composite, already writing F composite of G into remove the composite H of X. Already F composite G value is 4x square. 4 into x square. Next, F composite of G into H of X value is h of x value is x plus 4. X plus 4. Next, f composite value already. To find the f composite of g value, let us substitute x value 4 into x value what 4x square. So x plus 4 the whole square, a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square equal to 4 into x square plus 2ab 2ab 2a value into x, b value into 4 plus 4 square is 16. Then multiply 4 into x square plus 4 2s are 8x plus 16. Then multiplication in 4 in all the term. So 4x square 8 4s are 32x plus 16 fours are 64. This is first equation. Next to find RHS. RHS F composite of G composite of H. First to write G composite of H equal to G into H of X. G of G, let us write G. H of X value or H of X is X plus 4. This is G of X. G of X value is G of X equal to G of X value equal to 2x. So let us write 2. Then afterwards you write x value. 2. X value what? X plus 4. Then multiply 2x. 2x plus 4 2s are 8. The next one, F composite G composite of H equal to, then let us write F of G composite X, what value? Then 2x plus 8. Then f of x. F of x equal to x square. X square. This is x value. Then afterwards you square the x value. So 2x plus 8 the whole square. So a plus b the whole square formula. A square value 2x the whole square, 2x the whole square. So 2 2s are 4, 4x square plus 2ab, 2 into 2x into 2ab plus b square is 8 square. Then 4x square plus 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32x plus 64. This is second equation from one and same. First equation, no, 4x square plus 32x plus 64. Second equation is same equation. So equation 1 equal to equation 2. So LHS equal to RHS. Hence verify. Next, third subdivision. Third subdivision. F of x equal to x minus 4. Then g of x equal to x square. Next, h of x equal to 3x minus 5. This is third subdivision. Same method, first two method. First LHS equal to F composite of G composite of H equal to First one, f composite of g composite of h equal to any other method. First two write. First f composite of g composite h. Then f composite of g composite of h equal to f composite of g composite of h. Let us first two write this one, second this one. First f composite of g equal to f of g of x. So f into g of x value or g of x equal to g of x equal to x square. So let us write g of x, substitute in x square. So let us write g of x value is x square. Then f of x square, f of x what value? F of x equal to x minus 4. So f(x) only substitute, x value only substitute. So x square minus 4. The next one, f composite of g composite of h equal to, let us write f composite of g, then h of x. H of x what value? H of x equal to 3x minus y. Then f composite of g into h of x value is 3x minus 5. So f composite of x. F composite of x what value? X square minus 4. X square minus 4. Only x value is 3x minus 5 the whole square. 3x minus 5 the whole square minus 4. So same method, a minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square is 9. 3 a square 3 square is 9x square minus 2ab, 2 into 3x into 5 plus 5 5s are 25 minus 4. Next 9x square minus 3 2s are 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30x plus 25 minus 4. 25 minus 4 is 21. So 9x square minus 30x plus 21. This is first equation. Next RHS equal to F composite of G composite of H. Let us write first to find G composite of H equal to G of H of X. So G into H of X, what value? H of X is 3x minus 5. So 3x minus 5. Next, g of x value, g of x equal to x square. So 3x minus 5 the whole square. So 3x minus 5 the whole square. Yes, a minus b the whole square, a square. 3 3s are 9x square minus 2ab, 2 into a into b. 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. 30x plus 5 5s are 25. This is G composite of H. Next, F composite of G composite of H equal to F of G composite H what? G composite H equal to 9x square minus 30x plus 25. This is G composite X. This value is F of x value. F of x equal to x minus 4. Only substitute x value is 9x square. So 9x square minus 30x plus 25. Yes, let us next write minus 4. So 9x square minus 30x plus 21. This is second equation from 1 and 2 equal to same equation. So LHS equal to RHS. Hence proof. Or you understand? So only just write 2 times you write, then afterwards you continue. Next one, ninth sum. Ninth sum, let f equal to minus 1 comma 3, 0 comma minus 1, 2 comma minus 9 be a linear function. Z from Z. Z is a integers. Then find f of x. What is the linear function? Already you know in ninth standard. Linear function. Linear function equal to linear function what ma? F of x equal to ax plus b is a linear function. So equation 1. The function z from z. Z is the integers. Z from z. So first one, f of the ordered pairs is f of minus 1 equal to f of minus 1 equal to 3. Next, f of 0 equal to minus 1. Next, f of 2 equal to minus 9. Just to find f of x value. So substitute f of minus 1 when first equation substitute f of minus 1 equal to, so let us substitute x value a into minus 1 plus b. So minus a plus b. Minus a plus b. This is equal to 3. This value is second equation. Then f of 0 equal to substitute a value 0 into any number 0 plus b equal to b. Already to find f of 0 equal to minus 1. Substitute b value is minus 1. Substitute b equal to minus 1 in equation 2. Equation 2, minus a plus b equal to 3. So minus a, b value is minus 1 equal to 3, minus a equal to 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is minus a equal to 4. A equal to minus 4. So b value equal to minus 1, then a value equal to 4. To find equation 1. Equation what? F of x equal to ax plus b. No, let us write in a value. A value is minus 4x minus 1. This is f of x value. This is the linear equations. Or you understand? First to write f of x value, ax plus b, just to find a and b. Next to 10th sum. 10th sum, the electrical circuit theory, a circuit C of T is called a linear circuit. It is satisfied superposition principle. Superposition principle is C of AT1 plus BT2 equal to A of C T1. This is a superposition principle. P of C T2, where A comma B are constant. A and B is constant. Show that C of T equal to 3T is a linear. What is the given that solution? Given that C of T equal to 3T. To prove the function, first to prove C of AT1 equal to same 3AT1. Next, C of BT2. To find first to let us to prove C of AT1 plus BT2. BT2. So C of BT2 equal to 3. B is here, BT2. Given the value is given, no. Let us to write C of AT1, then BT2. Next one, add the 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 equal to C of AT1 plus BT2 equal to, let us write 3AT1 plus 3BT2.